Ever wondered what would happen if we fired every politician on Earth and handed the reins over to a super-intelligent AI? No more endless debates, no more backroom deals, just pure, logical decision-making. Sounds like a sci-fi dream, right? Let's explore this. First, imagine a world without corruption. An AI government wouldn't be swayed by money or power. Its decisions would be based entirely on data, aiming for the greatest good for the greatest number of people. Resources could be allocated with incredible efficiency, tackling global problems like poverty, climate change, and disease with unparalleled speed. Think of it. An AI could analyze global supply chains in a split second to end hunger, or design the most efficient renewable energy grid for the entire planet. Healthcare would be personalized, based on our genetics, and education would be tailored to each student's learning style. But hold on, it's not all sunshine and perfect algorithms. Who programs this AI? The values and biases of its creators could be hard-coded into its core, leading to a new, invisible form of control. What if the AI's definition of efficiency means sacrificing individual freedoms for the sake of the collective? An AI might see a struggling artist as an inefficient use of resources and reassign them to a factory job. And what happens when we disagree with the AI? There's no voting it out of office. We'd be living under a permanent, unfeeling digital monarch. The biggest question is about our humanity. A government isn't just about managing resources, it's about empathy, culture, and shared values. Can a machine truly understand the human spirit? Can it appreciate art, mourn loss, or celebrate triumph? By outsourcing our leadership, we might gain efficiency, but we risk losing a fundamental part of what makes us human, the right to choose our own path, even if it's messy and imperfect. So, while an AI government is a fascinating thought experiment, maybe the flawed, chaotic, and very human process of governing ourselves is a feature, not a bug. What do you think? Would you trust an AI to run the world? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more what ifs.